Yo, haha. Melo never said.
I'm not sure what to think. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Melo MB.03 is coming back with another quick video. Before we get started, I want to say thank you everybody for the whole 2 million views on the channel. You can see right here. Found out last night actually, and got really excited. So thank you very much tuning in, watching the channel, supporting the channel. Hey, I appreciate everything. And once again, congratulations to the winners of the $25 gift card. Now, I had a chance to look at least read up on the Melo MB.03, and I kind of see much of the same thing from his first series and his second series. I think the difference that I'm seeing in terms of by design, while it does feature the nitro foam, which is really comfortable once you break it in, looks like there's additional padding towards the heel. Now, it's interesting how they're going to introduce the first shoe, at least from his collection, because the marketing tactic is that the only way that you can physically get this shoe is if you sign up with Gutter Gang NFT, if I'm not mistaken. So once you sign up with their NFT, you'll be able to get the GutterMelos. So while I get it, it's just that I'm not sure that people are too in tune with the whole NFT movement. And also, what might be working against Puma with this release is the fact that a lot of people were not feeling the colorway. I mean, if you think about it, the color scheme is it's been done before, right? And I'll take, for example, the Nike Air Foamposite 1. I think it was the Weather 1, if I'm not mistaken. Like, this shoe came out and kind of had that design. But when you look at the multicolored design on the MB.03, you could say that it looks like a weather map. That it looks like some type of Wi-Fi heat map, but the concept still remains the same. So I talked to my son about this. I talked to various other people in different age brackets, and every one of them said that they just did not like the colorway. Now, the shoe by design, I think looks okay. You can see that they have the Gutter Gang. I think it's like a cat on the tongue. And then I'm seeing a little bit of the Gutter Gang logo per se on the back, right? So it's GutterMelo, which is the name of the shoe, but the Gutter Gang has like a collaboration with Puma and LaMelo to make this particular shoe. It's just that it's the first of its kind, at least from the LaMelo series, where again, the only way you can obtain it is by going to the Gutter Gang's website, buying the NFT on, I think, June 29th, which just recently passed not too long ago. And then on a future date, you'll get the actual physical shoe. So it's not like a shoe that is going to be dropping on Puma's website, at least to my understanding. You have to get it through the Gutter Gang website. So comment below. Let me know what you think of the first MB.03 series. I like the whole, not the color scheme, but I get the design, right? You got the cat claws scratching towards the side panels of the shoe. And then you flip it on the bottom, and it does say rare, but you don't see the rare like you would normally see on the bottom of the outsole. You see it when you combine two shoes together, and then it forms that rare picture. But all in all, looking at this, I think a little bit is just pretty much the same like the Melo MB.01, MB.02 series. But if by design, at least the silhouette by design, I would say that the MB.01, at least to me, is still the best by design. Then I would actually say, at least for now, I would say MB.03 is the second, and then MB.02 being the third in terms of the way I look at it by design. So hopefully we'll be seeing different colorways that might appeal to the sneaker community. Right now, while I think this shoe, the GutterMelos, I think it'll definitely take off in terms of getting the attention, but the demand for it, I don't think is there. I really don't think it's there. That's just my opinion. Comment below. Let me know what you think of LaMelo Ball's third signature shoe, the GutterMelos. Your boy will not be getting this. I'm just saying. Again, I'll be waiting for the right colorway. Then I'll strike and go get it and put it on the Melo MB.03 channel and call it a day. But your boy Melo MB.03, man, I am out. Today is Sunday. You guys, stay blessed.